Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload high-quality video on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open your TikTok account. Next, on the top right side here, click on these three lines. And then tap on the last option, Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down, and then tap on Data Saver and make sure to switch it off. Additionally, ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If these steps don't resolve the issue, then open the CapCut, drop your video in the CapCut, and then increase the contrast and saturation of the video to 10 times. And also increase its sharpen to 20. Next, when you export your video, set the resolution to 2K or 4K or frame rate to 60, and export and save your video. Once again, open CapCut. Create a new project and drop your video here that you just exported. And now, without making changes, this time export your video in 1080 resolution and set the frame rate to 60, and then upload this video to TikTok. If you face the same issue, then once again, open your TikTok account, go to Settings and Privacy, now scroll down, and then tap on Report a Problem. Now scroll down, and then tap on Chat with Us. Now here, provide details about the problem, such as, "Hey TikTok, please help me fix my upload quality. It is so bad, and I need better quality content." Now tap on the first option, "I cannot upload my video in HD quality." Now follow the path to upload high-quality video. If you are unable to find this feature, it may be currently unavailable to you. Stay tuned for future updates. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.